Today we're putting a new gas tank on our CB500 back here. Alright, so we got a fuel tank here that clearly needs to be replaced. I've already removed the seat and the fairings from the front here. I'm not sure the fairings have to be removed in order to do this, but it just happens to be this way on this one. We've got a bolt back here. This is a 10mm bolt that's holding on the tank right there. And we've got two bolts up here. These are 8mm bolt heads up here. Those need to be removed. And then we should be getting somewhere on this tank in terms of lifting it off. And then there should be a quick connect for the actual fuel line and some other stuff. I'm sure there should be some wire connectors in there as well, going to the fuel gauge sender and all that sort of thing. So let's get to these bolts. So we got these two 8mm on the front. Alright, so on the left side of the bike, there is right here, this line, this guy going right here. This is like the tank overflow. It runs up into the bottom of the tank here. This is a line, and then it runs down through here and down to the very bottom. It runs down and comes out the very bottom here. It just outlets to the ground. So that is the tank overflow, I do believe. And it looks like it will very easily disconnect right here, just like that. Yeah, so on the other side of the bike, there's the exact same thing. There's a drain tube coming from this side. It's just a larger diameter, and it runs along the side here and exits on the other side of the bike with the other drain tube. And this also disconnects really easily right here. So disconnect that guy. All right, now look at underneath the tank here. All right, so you can see the quick disconnect right there, and I'm almost certainly going to make a huge mess. Once I disconnect that, I'm going to throw this rag down here and try and make that a little bit less messy. Oh my God, no fuel. Oh my God, how cool is that? The whole fuel pump thing. There's a fuel pump inside here, and so no gas comes out. That's awesome. How convenient is that? You can just quick disconnect the thing, no fuel comes out, it's super clean. Love it. All right, and so the way I disconnected this thing, in case you want to know, is basically there is this little over clip thing here, goes on like so. It fits in here. All right, so you see it like this, and you get your little nail under this thing and pull it out to where it is right now. And then I pulled it all the way out. I don't know if that's correct or not, but that's what I did. And then you can see in here, there's like a little tab right here, and another tab on the other side that is equivalent. And when you're trying to pull this, you can see those moving. And so what I did was I got in here with this guy, and I spread those apart, and then it came off really easy after that. So that should allow you to successfully get the gas tank off of your CB500. Putting it back on is, of course, the reverse process. So good luck on your builds. Whatever you're doing with your CB500, I hope it turns out great. And keep on wrenching. We'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.